Jane!
Sophia! What a surprise!
Happy Sunday!
What a surprise!
Well, I called you before I came, didn't I?
Are you sure you don't want to come inside?
No, I don't want to. I told you already on phone. There's certain things that women have to talk about without their husbands being aware of it.
Are you sure you don't want to come?
No, I'm fine. I don't want to come inside. I wanted to inform you, starting from tomorrow, I am going to go on an aggressive hunt for a job.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I know, right? So I was thinking that since we're friends, we should do it together. I mean, you're jobless, I'm jobless. We are both feeding from our husband's pocket. Isn't telling well on them at work and even on us too?
Sophia, you should learn to respect yourself. Don't come to my house to insult me.
I just said we should both go job hunting together. Why are you upset?
Sophia, the next time you come to my house, it will be your greatest showdown.
Babe, I make you do. What did I ask you? What did you answer me? I beg, novice, the certificate, so can I say what I made you. I go use my own go find work. Novice, you're not rich like that. Novice, I don't suffer. Sit down for half the job, novice. So why is she so upset even? All I did was tell her the truth. She's just allergic to the truth. Why are some people just allergic to the truth? Huh? End point is that she knows I'm looking for a job. Finished.
Good morning, beautiful.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay. But I'm sorry, ma'am, business is not open today, so you can go and come back tomorrow.
Oh, yes, I know. I mean, you can't be open on a Sunday, but the other thing they say about protocols being broken for some people, that's me. You understand?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I don't understand.
Very well then. I want to see your boss.
I'm sorry, my boss is not in the office at the moment. But if there's anything we can do for you, I will still go. Hello, sir. Okay, sir. I'll bring you right away. I'm sorry, ma'am, but I'm sorry, you have to leave now.
You keep quiet right now. Your boss is not around, so where are you going? What? You want me to fry eggs for you before you understand simple English? You want eggs, boiled or fried? Eggs, scrambled?
Ma'am, sorry, you just have to go.
Are you crazy?
Ma'am, sorry.
Oh, you want me to boil eggs for you before you listen to simple English? You want eggs? Do you want eggs?
Ma'am, go and come back.
Do you want eggs? Because you just said your boss is not around, but you're working inside. So who called? The gate man?
Ma'am, I don't understand what you're saying.
What do you mean? Get no boiled fried eggs. What? Get away from me. No.
Wait. What is the meaning of this? Who is she?
It's nice to meet you, sir. My name is Sophia, and I actually Please don't be upset with the girl. I actually ruffled her up a little bit.
Sir, I'm so sorry. I tried to stop her, but she became violent and attacked me.
Shame on you. You are a bad person. Why are you lying? What is this girl? So I just push, no, beginning to like forward the throw inside water. Babe, if I attack you, you know if you start with your leg.
Excuse me?
Sir, no first, I know if you excuse you now, but I talk to this guy. I didn't for the matter. Why she go lie for my head? See this goat. Just turn on a lie for my head. Which work should do for you, sir? Saka. So I'll put you for trouble. Sakam!
Wait a minute. Who are you? What do you want?
Good question, sir. I am so sorry. I guess I lost myself there for a moment. You know, I honestly hate when people lie against me, particularly when I'm still alive and standing beside them, right? Well, you see, I was driving by when I saw the signpost about job vacancy, and I said, why not apply immediately?
So you're looking for a job?
Oh, yes, I am. Honestly, I am. And guess what? That was part of my prayer points there in church. So when I was driving by and I saw the signpost, I said, hallelujah, you heard my prayers. I am so certain God brought you to the office today just because of me.
Are you alright?
I'm perfectly fine. I am doing tremendously well. I mean, I honestly just need a job so I can make my husband so proud of me. And so I said to drop by and ask, can I get a job? By the way, what's the name of this company again? Dead. What will be the name of this company again?
That's enough. Get out of my office.
You see yourself, simple question enough to answer. You hear the man now? Come on, the office! Get out! Gross. Now, sir, can you make sure just go out first and think about that?
You just have to call Dozie and tell him to call his wife. He should warn her to stay away from me. Because the next time she comes here to spew such rubbish with her mouth, I will...
It's okay. It's okay, honey. Just calm down. It's okay.
How could she? She basically came here to tell me that my certificate is useless. How is the way I live my life her business?
Honey, calm down. Calm down. Put yourself together. You already know that she's a very unreasonable woman. But very soon, all these things will come to an end. Okay?
I really hate her.
Honey, it's alright. Very soon, she will understand there are people she's not supposed to step on their toes. Come on.
Baby, she really insulted me.
I know it's okay. Calm down. Smile for me.
No worry.
Look at you. You look so happy when you're angry. The kitty. Smile for me.
Okay, so seriously now, I mean, it's obvious that we all started off on the wrong foot here. So I think that both of you should apologize to me. I accept your apology, and I also apologize to you, and then we start off correctly. What do you think?
Yeah, whatever you call your name, get out of my office now. Get out before I make you regret your life.
I honestly, I'm so sorry, please. I mean, you're getting all worked up for nothing. Honestly.
I said get out.
So, if I don't tell you, don't say you be fool.
You just call me a fool?
If you not be fool, why you go to ask me that kind of foolish question when I just inform you now and I say you be fool? Don't look me with James Bond eye, oh. Don't look me like that. If you look me like that, I go scatter you. Nah. Scatter you, join her.
Madam, just get out.
Shut up. Scatter your girlfriend, join. Only two of them for this big office. Today will be Sunday. Say you can't walk. No, never talk to me and come here, can't do first. No, never talk him. He's service, sir.
Now that's it. Get out of my office.
It's service, sir. Huh?
I said get out of my office.
I'm so sorry, sir. Happy Sunday, honestly. Happy Sunday.
Get out!
You are a bad person.
I was actually honing. Okay, how about you hop in, let me give you a ride wherever you're going to.
And how about you drive to the end of the street, take your right, drive down to the end, take another left, drive to nowhere and get lost?
Hello, come on. Alright, I'm sorry if my request sounded rude, okay? I was only trying to be a gentleman. Please, get in.
Okay.
Thank you. Well, my name is Kelly and I'm actually new in town and I would love us to...
Abeg, can you just stop all this plenty talk, eh? I've had a very, very rough day at work. Just stop all this plenty talk and drive me home.
Are you always this harsh to men that want to help out? Anyways, where do I take you to? Hello? Hello?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Oh yes, yes sir. Everything is fine. Just take me home. Drive.
And where is home?
Drive. I will tell you for road.
You can ask me how I know. Oh, yeah. I have seen it all. So I can tell it all.
Why can't you say it out?
Say what out?
Please. Don't talk as if you don't know what I'm talking about. There's something in here that you want to tell me, so I'm all ears.
Chike, listen, you're a nice, handsome, generous man. But I cannot date you. You're not my kind of guy. You asked me to spill it out, so you just did.
I guess I asked for it.
Chike, listen, I am sorry. I did not want to deceive you.
I love you. I would do anything to make you happy. Just give me a chance to put this. Please. Just give me a chance.
Chike,
I love you. That's what matters. Okay?
Deep down it's guessing. Love don't take no for an answer. Once his mind is made up, once it is rooted in sincerity and purpose, love can fight any battle.
It's that where you live?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you usually work on Sundays?
Well, I had to go to work today just to reduce the workload of tomorrow.
You must really be a hardworking girl. And I think I like that.
Thank you.
So, can I have your number?
How about you give me your card? I'll call you.
Okay. Well, don't mind my card.
What is the color of your money?
The color of my money? Well, the color of my money is the color of Nigerian money. You know, I used to have dollars sometimes, but... Okay, you mean my spending power?
Yes.
Okay. Well, this is 20,000 naira. When you get to know me more, you will know that I am good to go.
just call me.
I will definitely call you.
Thank you. Expecting your call. Help me with the door, please.
Why you just they give me bitter leave? Oh baby, baby. Ooh, you they give me bitter leave. Yeah.
How are you? Please. How did you do? Fine. So, you stopped taking my calls?
I'm sorry. Come on.
I don't get like you all conspired to ensure today is a terrible day for me.
How can you say that, Sophia? Look, I've not had the best of today. But I'm sorry, okay? My boss had to make me work so much just to please him.
Today is Sunday. What would you possibly be doing to please your boss? I hope it's not what I'm thinking you did to please him. I do. Anyways, thanks for coming. You do have a way of making me feel better and miss my troubles.
You have troubles. Come on, tell me about it. Tell me. How about you tell me yours first? What is it?
I want to work. I want to be employed like you. I mean, I want to do my own thing, to earn my own money.
Sophia, I told you already you have nothing to worry about. Just get a resume letter and I'll introduce you to top people, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You have like $1 million in your money. Look, I'll pay. Honestly, I'll pay. This is a loan. I'll pay.
You sure you don't want something to drink?
And do you have... I thought I heard someone driving.
It'll be my husband.
Hey.
Oh, I wish I could surprise him if I got that job.
Don't worry, Sophia. You will get a job soon. And a very good one at that.
Yes,
just
I
like
know.
me.
But that man has to be punished. I mean, if the job wasn't mine, why did they open today? Besides, he just disobeyed God and the wrath of God is going to fall upon him. I swear.
Pastor Sophia.
What? It's true.
Just relax, you get the job.
Oh, he's in.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
Hey.
How are you?
How's your day?
It was fine.
Good evening, sir. You're welcome.
Good evening. Who's our guest?
That's Sasha, my very intelligent friend. I've learned so much from her. Sasha, my husband, lives here.
It's a pleasure.
It's nice meeting someone whom my wife has learned so much from. So, what does Sasha do?
I'll have to take my leave now, sir.
Yes.
It was really nice meeting you.
Oh, yes, she has to take her leave.
Yes.
Really?
What?
I introduced you to her, and the next thing you're asking her is what she does for a living. That is rude.
With flighty friends like Sasha, how do you expect to grow? You need people who will contribute to your personal growth.
Now what do that one mean? No, what do you mean? See, I never grow. I'll be like small picking for your eye. More come to say your eye need a see where I never grow. I'll be like small picking. Sasha, I'll be like small picking for your eye.
I wasn't talking about physical growth. Don't you understand?
I don't understand. I be dummy. You don't understand? I be dummy now. It's what is finish the cause. That's still finish now, the see finish. So just because you won't come for my hand, disgrace me and make you come as early. Where you go? Where you go? No, I just see me finish. You have to see me finish.
Get over the staining and make it work. You dey try to make me vex. You try to piss me off. Forget the things they do me, yo. I'm not fit to leave you.
Think twice before you say one more word. Because you know me, I would not hesitate to deal with you in my own way. You know. Do you have my 500,000 naira?
Look. I don't have now. But look, I'll pay. I will somehow raise the money before the end of the month. I'll pay. Just trust me.
Sasha, you can actually afford to be a slave queen. Then why owe me? Well, I'll give you one more chance, Sasha. By the end of this week, if I do not get my money, well, I know where you stay already. By the time my talks are done with you, nobody, not even the doctors, can piece you together ever again. And if you try to leave town, Sasha, I promise you, worse things will happen to you. Nice house.
Listen, I'm sorry about everything. Yeah, I guess I'm still hurting from the insult I received from one useless man. Don't worry, because I gave it back to him real hard. In fact, I am certain you'll never ever forget me. Please, not in a hurry.
Fought with someone?
Yes. Well, I went there in search of a job and instead of them attending to me, he decided to mess with me. So I showed him, no, don't mess with me.
You know what?
Does it? So you use all your nose to suck in air before you said you know what? Please, I think God beg you. Don't talk with me with vex. Because when you go out like let's say you won't show me say you support that man.
Do you want to hear what I have to say on that?
Then talk.
I've asked you to give me your CV so I can help you secure a job. But you refuse to do so. What's the problem?
The only thing you have to know is that I went in search of a job and the man and his girlfriend tried to mess with me and I dealt with them very, very well. That's all you have to know for now. Don't worry yourself, oh, everything is fine. Everything is perfectly fine.
Give me bitter liver. Oh baby, when I look into your eyes I see many reasons to quit. But when I look into your soul I see many reasons to stay. I know say no be you, but now waiting that you baby. Can we get over the staining and make it work?
Dozie, how come you just come in there? Your wife tripped and fell, and you won't even come and help me? You just stood there and you're staring.
Did you make breakfast?
My love, I'm so sorry. I thought of it all. I just made up. I said to snap a picture. And then, I'm so... Let me... One minute. Let me just take one picture to say good morning to my Instagram followers, and then I'll get something to eat. But still, you take the picture. It will be faster that way. Go on. Don't be shy. Alright. Wait! Come and eat something! He's always acting like a child. He seems like he's my hater. When I stop the picture now, he's going to be the first person to like it on Instagram.
Why you just give me bitter leave? Oh baby. Ooh, you give me bitter leave. Oh baby.
What did you just do?
I thought you would like it.
Like what?
I thought being different from who I used to be. I just want to show you that I can be adventurous. And
What's that? You're trying to be who you are not just to impress me? Huh? Chike, come on. Listen, you really need to be a real man. Okay? Trying to be who you are not just because of someone else? Get a grip on yourself. Excuse me.
Young man, this is the best I can do for now. I am doing what is good for business. So either you take what I just offered or you leave it. But rest assured that nothing stands in my way whenever I want something.
So this is a business we have worked so hard to build over the years. It's still a growing business. It's not even worth your time and efforts. Besides, it is not morally right for you to just wake up one morning and decide to take over someone else's business.
Silence. You want to tell me what is worth my time? What is morally right for me and what is not? Really? Chief, I am sorry about what my friend just said. I am sure he tried to say that as responsible married men, if you take over our business, we cannot sustain our families. Oh, you boys are married?
Yes, Chief.
Yes.
We are both married.
Yes.
Interesting. Well, since both of you are married, I think it's reasonable that you think about what I just offered you. And leave your business for me. I want to put that property to a better use.
Sir!
Come to my house. Sir, what did you just say? You said that both of you are married, right? Well, I am having a party, a dinner party, in my house on the 27th of this month. I want you to come with your wives.
Look, I'll pay. I already told you I do not have that kind of money. I told you. Besides, was that why you left my house the way you did the last time?
No, I haven't got into that. Look, what I did it for your own good. How so?
Your husband wanted to find out what I do for a living. And I don't want to let your husband know I have a very good job and I was being paid very, very well. And I don't don't want him to see you like you're a serious and lazy person. That's why I walked out.
Do you know you're right? Mm-hmm. Yes, I see a lot of sense in what you just said now. He would have seen me finish. Mm-hmm. You are such a good friend.
I know.
I'll tell you what. I can raise 500,000 naira for you.
Thank you so much. What are you giving me now?
You didn't go to work today?
It's because of the money. I have to take a day off so I can look for the money.
Well, there is nothing for you to worry about. I am going across the street to get something, so you come with me.
What's your problem? What's the problem? That man is my problem. That man that calls himself a chief. Who even made him a chief? Who does he think he is?
He is the man who wants to take over a business and turn a bright future to that one. If you don't use the brain for once. 27 is just 2 weeks away. Prepare your wife.
Is that all you can say?
We can't fight Chief Williams.
Oh, and that's why he wants us to come to his house with our wives. What has our wives got to do with our business? What?
You were so angry to understand the subtle message in that invitation.
Which is?
I think Chief wants us to convince him that we are responsible married men. And if we can convince him that and he leaves a business for us, do you have any problem with that?
Oh. So, it doesn't strike you like one of those rich men who use and dump other people's wives? Eh?
When will you start thinking
like what? Thinking like what? You know you started this. You're the cause of this problem. Did you have to tell him, did you have to remind him that we are married? Did you? Couldn't you have just told him that you're the one who is married?
Are you alright?
What's that supposed to mean? Doesn't what we are in right now doesn't look like a problem to you? Our situation right now doesn't look like a problem to you?
What? Because I told him that you're married. Are you not married?
Is it your marriage? Is it your marriage? You should have told him you're the one who is married instead of roping me in.
Bros, look, I don't understand you. What be your problem? Now because I tell Chief say you don't marry, you never married before, now you just did harass me. Bro, you take that time, what did worry you now? If one more beg for it may even come and say, come harass me and you. What did they disturb you?
Maybe they talk to you like that.
Do they Naija they talk to like that?
No, they punch me like that.
If I punch you like this, what do you go do? What do you go do? What do you do? Don't form like if you don't that for here. Don't just come in anything because take time more. Take time more.
This is not good at all. Not another dinner. How am I supposed to go for another dinner with Sophia and not expect to have one ugly incident or the other? And if this happens, this useless chief. I wonder what you think about me.
I'm no longer comfortable there. Please, let's go.
But we're about to eat.
I do not want to eat anything here. Let's go. I'm no longer comfortable. Must I always shout before you listen?
Let's just stay for a little while. It would be rude if we just...
I am now rude. I am now rude because I insist I don't want to stay here any longer. I'm rude. Please don't allow me to create a scene for you here. Let's go.
Why would you want to do that?
I'll shout, oh. I'll scream.
Don't.
Let's go.
But when I look but now waiting they do you, my baby. Can we get over the stain and make it work? Get over the stain and make it work.
Nana.
You done try to make me vex, you try to piss me off. Forget the things they do me, I know feel to be see as the body they shake you, I know say no love they catch you.
You get fufu?
I get fuma.
Give me fufu and a goosey. Put small or half by the side. You understand them now? That's so you do. Then, when I get stew...
Sophia, are you doing this to piss me off?
You get stew, Abi? Yes, my best. May you come on meat from inside stew. Put inside the egusi. I like the taste of stew inside my egusi. You understand? May you use your sense. Ask your guy what time you chop. What thing you chop.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? Okay.
Sir, we get better. Are you stupid?
If I slap you now, if you want first person no one eat to eat, if I slap you, your conscience go leave you. That's the level I want corner where you stand there and so your sense go correct. Go bring the food. Why are you looking at me like that? That love I don't know about. Ha. What do you mean of that one now? I asked you question, you invest, I can't come out, you don't even answer me. I know you should ask you question.
I'm not angry because you ate here. I'm angry because I asked you to eat at the pot. You refused. You insisted you were not hungry. You couldn't wait for us to go home. You came here to eat.
And now you talk what they make you the best. You could make the talk what they make and the best. Shame. And shame, Abi. Shame say you carry your wife, come chop as hungry, they catch your wife, then they do you. Shame.
That's not what I meant. We could have got home. Look at how we're dressed.
Hey. Now you land again. How we are dressed, then they best you, Abi.
Listen,
No, don't call my name there. Can I say the next thing you go talk to Nasabia? Don't call my name. If they best you, say you buy me this fine clothes, I can't wear, I can't chop for you, and everything they best you. Put another there now, it's very simple. I'll put the cloth give you now. What are you doing? Are you crazy? Are they crazy? Your wife the crazy. You complain say the cloth where you buy give me, I can't chop for book, I say make I put the cloth give you back. Are they crazy? Yeah? Does it not allow me to show you crazy for you? No, allow me to show you crazy for you. You hear me now?
Listen, this has got to stop. It has got to stop. I don't know, when did this start? I'll say something and you easily turn it around to something else. What? It's getting out of hand.
I beg, no vex. At least for now, you don't even see me finish outside. Before the see finish, go past finish. Make I pull your cloth, give me more stuff from that one first. Make I gain my respect back.
You try to make me vex, you try to piss me off. Forget the things they do me, I know feel to leave you. See as the body they shine you. I don't say no love they catch you.
Stop it! The stupid idiot that calls himself my friend wants a repeat of what happened. I see the compassion. The only one who can save me from this. If only Femi knew what he has done.
Are you aware that you are the most useless person I've ever been so unfortunate to work with?
Sorry, madam.
I'm glad it's that obvious to you.
But, madam, How am I the most useless person you've ever worked with?
Kelly.
Yes, ma.
Do you want me to fire you?
Madam, no. See, madam, if you know the joy and peace that I enjoy working with you, you won't...
Shut up, Kelly. If you had done what I instructed you to do, I wouldn't go to that place asking stupid questions.
Which place?
I found out where they live. You'll have to go there and make sure that...
Madam, just tell me the place and leave the rest for me.
Who do you think I'm talking about exactly?
You've not told me.
Then shut up and listen to instructions before you go about telling me what you're going to do and how you are going to do it. Get in the car and drive.
Who is that?
I am home. What is it?
I'm not in a good mood. I'm not in a good mood at all. I am so ashamed of myself right now.
What happened?
Oh, Dozie, all I want right now is just to faint and remain that way for a very long time.
What is going on? What is it? Sasha? What happened to her?
Well, just like Judas Iscariot, she kissed, hugged and betrayed me exactly the way Judas betrayed Christ. Just exactly.
Can you just go straight to the point and tell me what is going on?
Well, I was on my way to buy...
Sasha, you've always told me to be calm in situations like this. That's mind over matter, right?
I honestly don't understand. I don't understand why God decided to bless such a useless, shameless, stingy girl like Sophia with a rich and young husband. She was the one that wanted to oppress the girl. And when it backfired, she said she wouldn't give him the money because she said,
Sasha, what is the next line of action?
I was this close to 500,000 naira. I lost it because of her stupidity.
You need to calm down. Calm down and think. That money's still coming now. Now just your brain what you could do.
Just look at the sorry story you have just narrated. Did you have to lean on someone else's car to impress somebody?
I didn't tell you it was Nneka that...
What was the point of doing that?
It was Nneka, the girl we used to hang around in school back then.
I'm talking about the Sasha girl. She's bad influence. And I want you to stop being friends with her. Do you understand?
What did they talk? No, it's not a fight Chinese they explain. They cut bread. What did they talk? And I look you since they shout and no one talk anything. What did they talk? What did I carry tell you? What did they talk? Huh? The damn way talking on go work, not to come again, and he's gonna beg you because that's Sasha my babe. She's the only person who understand me, where the reason, my slangs, you understand my vibration, where the think and they go. She don't already meet me for there. That's why you talking on come again and he's gonna take and beg you beg. I don't want to hear them again. Do you hear me? So on the very first way that girl show this background, I know say you don't like her. I see the way you look at me, I decode. Even the babe too decode. That make her ball up like a baller. You understand?
Just spare me this kind of false alarm. Right?
What are you talking about for Matana again? False alarm. I they tell you something when they bother me, when they put one face, make I do like that. You say that false alarm. I be false alarm. Me your wife, I be false alarm.
I don't have time for this.
Yes! I want faint on top of that chair where it's got so. And there I want faint. You dey call me false alarm? I tell you something wey dey bother my spirit. You say na false alarm?
You wanted to paint, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, don't stand up.
I still there. I still finish with it.
No, I still finish. Me and you go there, we will get to the bottom, the end of the finish. I still finish, you must still finish. No, you must still finish. The last match, the end of the finish, now go to today. No, you must still finish. You must still finish. Last, this is not the finish. Now go to today.
Oh!
It's me.
Madam.
I just remembered. I thought you were supposed to give me a report.
Report?
Yes.
Oh! Madam. Oh! Madam, you're right. Madam, do you know that Dozie is a monkey? That Dozie is a fool. See, madam, if I tell you what I...
Shut up. Don't you ever refer to him as a monkey again. His name is Dozie. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
But madam, do you know, from the information I gathered, from my investigations, that Dozie is mouthless. That Dozie is a woman rapper. That Dozie, the wife, can talk. He doesn't have a say. Ma?
I don't need your opinion. I only need result to the instructions I gave you. Is that clear?
Yes, madam. You say make I go find information. I don't bring back information. Wahala.
Have you told your wife about the...
You called and I said, hello baby. You couldn't even say hi or hello or even ask me how I'm doing. You were asking me these questions.
This man, just keep quiet. Keep quiet. Is this a transferred aggression or what? Look, do I need to remind you that you have to prepare your wife for the stake at hand? We don't need to lose out on this.
Why are you talking as if you don't know my predicament? Okay, but what if...
You have to do what you ought to do. You have less than a week to get her ready. I'll see you at the office tomorrow. Bye. Hello?
When we were friends.
Honey? Honey?
Yeah, baby.
Come.
For love is a beautiful thing. You can ask me how I know. I have seen it all, so I can tell it all. Love is a beautiful thing, so beautiful.
Sweetheart.
Oh no, I didn't.
What was that?
I had a good night rest.
Sophie, haven't I told you that?
What? What? For picture again?
Never mind.
That reminds me, Dozie. You are terrible. Nice.
It starts with pretending, then it starts caring. Deep down it's guessing.
This Sophia is such a foolish, useless girl. So she looks at this picture and all she captioned it is,
My boo won't let me sleep. My boo... What kind of useless human being is this? Must she even post everything online? Anyways, let me like it though before she will call me on the phone and said, what happened? Did you not see the picture I posted? I don't know what I'm doing with this kind of person, eh? If not for all these things I'm getting.
Madam, please. Just forget about those inspirational grammar those women are blowing out there. Yes, because no woman wants to help the other out there. That's the truth. Yes, at the end they will feel they are better than you. Listen, if you find a man that you like out there, bulldoze yourself into his life. Yes, if he has a girlfriend, to hell with her. Before Uncle, married ones are better. Please, you just forget about those bachelors who are scared shitless about marriage. Yes, go for the married ones who have tasted marriage and they are no longer scared about it. Please, who would get help? Oh, I don't send anybody. You don't make me to remember that. No, I don't go anywhere. I'm home today. Yes. Alright then, I'll talk to you later. Just relax it up and nothing now. Yes. Fine. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
You block her? I thought you...
She's not my friend, and it's not by force to follow anybody on Instagram. Not be by force.
I know that's not by force. I'm only trying to make you understand. Ask, find out why you should block her. Why? What went wrong? Did you have issues with her or something? I don't know.
Hi.
Hello.
I know it's been difficult for you to take your eyes off my gun. But you know what? It's a lovely gown. And it's got class way above what you're wearing. Talk is always cheap. Are you touched? You don't have to be. I'm just trying to
Jane, do not try me. If I were you, I would move my carcass to the left. Like Beyonce, to the left.
You think you're the only one that knows how to act crazy. If you think I'm scared of you or your antics, I dare you to bring it. Let us disgrace ourselves here.
You disgrace? I'll just slap you for nothing. For nothing. I said, you not speak for my body. Yes. Hold on, left.
Grace, I got it.
She's not my friend. Behind that friendly smile is a vicious hater. She's my hater. That's why I blocked her. But you will not understand. You never understand.
Did you even hear a word of all I've been saying? No, because you were lost in thoughts.
Lizzie, you want to marry Jane as your second wife?
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, Your wife blocked somebody on Instagram. Instead of hailing me and saying, go girl, go wifey, you are here asking me questions as to why I blocked her. Do you think I'm foolish? No, do you think I'm foolish? Aren't you supposed to be on my side? Are you not supposed to support me, the blockage over the blocker? Does that make sense? Whatever, you should be by my side. Who does that?
Are you crazy?
Dozie?
Yes?
What are they crazy? Because I block person. You want to see my craze? No. You want to see my craze? If you want to see my craze now, come carry me go shopping. Yes, I will show you craze. You said you go tire for craze.
Stop.
And you will love me more, man. You will love me more. Trust me.
Who will be that now? Who's that? Who's that?
Kelly.
Let this be the last time I will call you on the phone, and you do not put off whoever you're talking to and attend to me. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I demand excellent services from you.
I'm sorry, madam.
Get dressed. We leave now.
Now?
Yes, now.
What are you trying to say? I mean, I don't understand.
I am not trying to say. I've just told you that all of a sudden it seems I'm living in the same house with a total stranger.
What is going on? What is the problem? No, what is going on? Dozie, what is going on? I need to know. I mean, all of a sudden you are now a lover of making a mountain out of a molehill. No, what is going on?
Listen, I am not going to allow you get away with trying to turn the table against me this time. No.
Okay. You win. Alright. My loss. You turn the table against me then. Go on. Turn the table.
Listen. If this is about me, tell me. I can make amends. If it is about you, we can still sort things out.
You know, in all honesty, I was really sleeping before I got in here. Now what I don't understand is why my darling husband will not let me catch my beauty sleep. Because why won't you let me catch my beauty sleep?
Because I love you. Because I love you. More than you can ever imagine. And I want us to work.
Yes. Look, I've thought about everything that happened between us and that girl. And I realized I'm at fault. That's why I called to tell you I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Eh?
You are so lucky you just called me moments after my husband here just told me that he loves me more than I can ever imagine.
Yes, I forgive you. No, I can't talk. I need time to love this man here right now. I'll call you back.
Okay. Good night.
I need time to love this man here and there.
I know you love me more than I could imagine.
Was she indirectly telling you that she's married and you are not? That's not nice at all. Well, I'm glad the phone was on speaker so you could hear her loud and clear. Sasha, she called you real bad. It's alright. She's laughing at me now. But I'll laugh the last, eh? And my own laughter. You know now.
What are you doing?
Oh, me? Trying to make a video that will break the internet. So I've been looking for a strategic place to place my phone. Haters crying.
Why would you want to do that?
What do you mean? Come on. The world is filled with haters. I have haters. So I want to show that I'm me. I'm sendless and I am queen of the bedding gown. Just wait until you see the video I'm about to make. It will break the internet.
I don't have any problem with you being on social media. But I need you to understand that life on social media is neither war nor competition.
Why are you so backward? Life on social media is war. It's about the likes and the comments. It's about validation. Life on social media is war.
Sweetheart, it's not war or any of those things you've just mentioned.
I said it is war.
It shouldn't be so.
Okay, now what do you want to talk now? Talk what you want to come outside. Say I'm not rich. I not get haters.
That's not what I'm saying.
Nobody send me. I'm not fire rich, so people to begin to hate me. Or I don't get anything to make them begin to jealous me. No, talk it out. No, talk it now. The thing what you want to talk it out. Make her hear what you want to talk. Because this was finish. Talk it out. Talk them out.
I'm not to work.
No. You have to talk it though. You have to talk it out.
I'll see when I get back.
Get for it. You say you don't set yourself since you don't see me finish. You too do. What are you gonna say if you iPhone?
I know it's been a long time. I don't want to let you know. Say I love you and no matter what, baby, you be that person.
Let's not do this. I'm already running late to work.
I don't know what you wouldn't want us to do. But what I want is very simple. It's either you give me the money in check or in cash.
Why is it difficult for you to give your wife 3 million naira to sort things?
And I've told you I don't have that kind of money now.
You used to have that kind of money. You have that kind of money. Why did you stop having that kind of money? Is there somebody out there who is wiping you out? Or do I have a rival out there?
How many times have I told you that you're having serious financial crisis at the office? How many times?
And how else am I supposed to tell you to hold the bull by the horn? Why exactly am I talking about this again? Please give me the money I asked for. Let me sort things out. Tell me!
It's so good to see you again.
So good.
Oh my God, I came into town for some business deals.
Oh, now I remember. My wife said she saw you. Well, that doesn't matter. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. You're looking great.
Oh, thank you so much. And how are you?
I'm doing great.
Dozier, You know I have known you for a very long time, yes?
Yeah?
You also know I'm not going to take a lie from you. I mean, you don't look as if everything is okay with you. What's the problem? You looked lost walking up to this place.
I am fine, right? I'm fine. It's just work, you know. Work can be crazy sometimes.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, here is my card. Alright?
Okay, yeah. Here's mine.
Okay. Remember to call me.
I will.
Anytime.
Alright. See ya.
Madam, see, I told you to walk, but you said it was cliché. And now you've gotten his attention. See, madam, I have sense.
Shut up and drive. And hey, take off those glasses.
Okay, ma. Madam, where are we going to?
Femi.
Dozier, what is going on? You're gradually becoming a shadow of your old self.
I'm fine.
No, Dozier, you're not fine. Tell me, what is going on?
Femi, I've just told you that I am fine. Okay. I saw someone on my way to work.
Who? One of our clients?
No. Someone I would have married if I did not fall in love with Sophia.
That is a bad move.
What is a bad move?
Look, Dozier, the tree you are about to shake its branches. The fruits might not be as pleasant as they look.
What are you talking about?
Look, I know you're having problems, but it is not ideal for you to compare your wife with your ex. Else, your marriage will head to doom.
I was not comparing. Okay. Femi, my wife verbally assaulted Chief Williams.
Madam.
By the time I am done with you, she will not know what it means to be happy.
Madam, no worry. I will help you achieve your plans. And make him suffer. I will, yes.
Kelly, are you alright? Who told you I'm doing this to destroy him? For God's sake, I'm only doing this to get his wife out of the way. Is that clear?
Oh, madam, we are saying the same thing now. Okay, I will not destroy him again. But for leaving you and making you feel dejected and unwanted, madam, suffer that man. I will torture him now.
No, Kelly. That is not the plan. I mean, of what use will he be to me when you torture him and eventually disfigure him like you say? Of what use will he be?
Okay, madam. I will not torture him again. But can we at least rob him of something?
Are you mad?
Oh, madam, you said you can live with him with or without his money.
Listen to me, Kelly. I don't want you to do anything apart from my instructions. Do you understand? I don't want to cause any damage that I cannot repair. I want to do something that I can fix. And then when I get into his life, I will become his hero.
Oh, it's so healing to be at the same night.
Honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't.
What is that supposed to mean? Even the cops knows what to do. It knows that it has to remain still and lay there. But you're alive. You should think of a way out.
Why not your wife? Can you not talk about my wife? Please?
Look, we don't have much time.
I know we don't have much time, but you and I should know that...
Both of us know that for us to survive this, we must talk about your wife. She's the key. Look, why are you carrying on like this? Chief meets a whole lot of people every day. There is no way Chief will remember ever having an encounter with your wife. Tell me, what is difficult in a common dinner meeting? Why are you scared of bringing your wife along? Look, what Chief wants to know, he just wants to be convinced that we are responsible men. And once he's assured of that, he will let us be.
It's complicated now. But you are the one who started all this. If you had kept your mouth shut, I wouldn't have been in this mess.
What mess are you talking about?
Femi, how much time does your wife spend on social media?
Queen. Are you high this morning?
No.
You know high? You not drink anything. And you pass here, you not fit tell me good morning. You look me, say hi. What does that mean? I mean, like really, like seriously, like honestly, like for real? Hi? Are you serious? Are you becoming my hater?
Me? No. Ha.
So you are not my hater?
Madam Landlady, God will bear me witness. I mean, I don't even understand what you're saying. I'm not hating on anybody, and I'm obviously not hating on you. I can't.
Go on. Take a very, very good look at me. My shoes. My top. It's a crop top. And my human hair. Was I wearing this yesterday?
You're obviously wearing something different from yesterday.
Perfect answer. You are a good girl. I mean, if you had said anything contrary, I would have told you blatantly that you are not a good person and that is how witchcraft begins. But you answered correctly. I don't get it. I mean, how you can be my tenant living under my roof in my husband's house and you don't speak well of me. You're confused, right?
Honestly, I am
You should be. So, tell me, for the second time. I mean, this time, take a closer look at me. A very good look. Very, very good look. Take a good look at me. Really. Tell me, how do I look?
You look very beautiful. I mean, your shoes, your clothes, your hair. You're unique. Like, you're cute.
Thank you. You are a good girl.
Okay. Okay. Please, I have to run around now. Please.
No, you should. I was wondering. Are you following my Instagram?
The social media craze is an issue for another day. You know what? I love Sophia with every fiber in me. But the truth of the matter is that she has been driving me nuts this past few months.
I'm sorry about that.
If you had asked me what happened at the last business dinner, I would have explained and you wouldn't have made the mistake of...
I asked you and you told me that she was not feeling fine and you had to leave early. Look, there's no need fighting over this. Why not call her and explain everything to her?
You don't understand. You don't.
Well, I don't know what else to say. Maybe I will give you some time to think about this.
It is nothing to be excited about. This is purely business.
Really? Oh, bye.
I'll tell you all about it once see.
Just tell me time and when you're over there.
Just another picture.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, no problems. Alright, take care of you. Bye. That was my husband. Says he won't be back home early because something very important came up.
And he decided to tell you to avoid problems. It's very good to be a powerful one.
Well, thanks to you, Sasha, for teaching me how to keep men on their toes. Okay, so that means I don't have to rush home. I can take you anywhere you're going.
No, Sophia. It's a business meeting. Well, I have all the time to spare.
I'll wait for you and then you can have your meeting.
Okay. Okay.
Great. Dress up.
Oh, yes.
We were friends. We fought each other. We made mistakes. Without pointing fingers. Now I don't know what we've become.
Just wait for me up. This is your husband's car, right?
No, I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding what Dozier's car is doing here. He said something came up at the office.
I told you men don't like when their wife keep smart friends. If I didn't bring you here, would you have discovered that your husband lied about where he was? Where's the entrance? Hello?
You don't look at me like that. Hmm? That's the least I can do for you. So, take it or leave it. Hmm? That's supposed to be you and I.
What is going on? What is going on? Are you serious? No, for real? Like, you mean now? Now here you be. After when you reach out, this your rough baby, you go pour your mouth. I love you so much. Now here I'm relate that meeting. This is what came up. Are you serious? No, are you serious? So when you get home now, after you do this jollof rice, you tell me you love me. Huh? What are you doing here? Huh?
Your cousin is in here and I don't like it.
What's your cousin here? I sent you a message. How will it concern me if you don't like her? Anyways, because you like us marriage, I will not create a scene here. I am waiting for you at home. We'll sit here.
What do you say?
Is that all you need me to do?
That's all.
Hope you won't try to have sex with me.
It's just a dinner. Nothing more.
Okay. I will charge 100,000 naira.
Deal. I will give you 50% of the money. In here, it's a brief and I want you to study very well.
Why will I need to study this? I thought you said I only need to act like your friend's wife.
If you must do that convincingly, you must know a whole lot of things about him. I'll give you the balance at the dinner.
Why do I need to know a whole lot of things about him?
Someone might ask you a question. And as your husband, you...
Okay. You pay extra 50,000 naira for that.
Do I look stupid to you?
Have a great day.
Alright. Done deal.
When I look into your face, I see many things you're trying to hide, baby. What a beautiful smile and a beautiful soul you have. making you to lose your mind.
Sophie, is everything alright?
You say? You say? Now your mouth take ask me that kind of question. What did I come in now? Huh? What did I come in? How everything want to be alright? No call me that one. No even call me that one at all. No call me sweetheart. What do you mean sweetheart? Eh? See the kind of place where you carry that girl. Go! You don't carry me go that kind of place before?
But we've been there a couple of times.
No be that one they follow you talk now. No be that one they follow you talk. Say we've been there a couple of times. So they carry girls about, they go flex them, make sure they flex them. The way they flex me. You don't flex me like that before. Come carry the girl, go there. They come they look inside your eye. You said you come wide on your nose, open your teeth, they look inside your eye. Like say you never see woman before.
I've told you that we went there for business.
You tell me that thing! That's when they talk, they make me the best, they make my head they scatter, they make me the best. And last, if you continue to talk this matter like that, you go make me best so. Last, the way you go take end. Last, do what they see and now, be say, you go break my head, or I go break your head. Break your teeth, joy.
You need to calm down. I've tried to explain. Wait.
And they go sleep for sitting room. If you see me for your dream, maybe explain that to me for there. But this person is supposed to sit down for you now. My eye open and they see you. I bet maybe you say try, may not see me.
Sweetheart, calm down.
We make mistakes without pointing fingers.
You don't understand that. You don't understand that. Those here no allow me to beat that girl. Where? You don't allow me. I for do I'm washing and setting. You don't grip me. My lie. Now that girl ain't pursue those here. Now she pursue my husband. You see? Now those here not supposed to ban a bit. I beg I go call you back now. Yes, I go holla you later.
Across the mountain to keep us standing.
I know you're very angry right now. But I want you to understand.
I beg you to tell me that kind of talk. You don't tell me that kind of talk, I beg. You don't hear me so? You say you get sense past me. You run down like run town as you see me for that place. You no surprise? You no surprise? Never know anything yet.
I've tried to make you understand that it was just a business dinner.
You dey go do business dinner. You tell me. Why not tell me say you want chop dinner? Business one. I for cook for house here. Carry 2 plates, 2 spoons. Carry am come your office. Put one for your front, put one for your front. Put the food. When I go to chop for there, they discuss the business. Now that one they call office business dinner. For that place, now that you go do it.
You don't do business dinner in the office.
Since I'm not gonna talk. No, can't talk. You make you I go back so I go best for you now. I dey crazy so I go best for you now. Who should I talk with that? I be like move for your eye. I don't be anybody fool. At all.
Sweetheart, I love you. I wouldn't do anything that would hurt you. I love you more than you can ever imagine.
They wash me now. They wash me now. Which soap they take wash me like this now where they bring out plenty food. You don't wash me now. After you don't mess up now, you don't begin to wash me. I love you. Leave that thing. I leave this.
I love you.
Yeah, I'll investigate.
Really?
We know you can investigate. Lady, what? If you think so, go and post for Instagram. All those haters there, I'm believing people they happy say me and my boo they fight. They go run down. Blood go over the eye. Blood that could do your nose like a tap.
Yeah, come inside.
They try to make me vex. They try to piss me off. Forget the things they do me, yo. I don't feel to leave you, oh. Forget the crack, forget the match. I know say I love they got you, oh. Now the same thing they do me, oh.
I don't forget now. Then the jog they go. Not go to be something again. Oh yes, I'm getting like they go so.
Okay. Okay.
Here you go.
Why you just get give me bitter sweet, oh, my baby. I know it's been a long time.
What are you doing here?
You didn't give me the money I asked for. That was why I decided to come look for you. You sneaked out of the house.
Honey, please, I beg you. Do not add to the problems I already have. Can't you see that our source of livelihood is about to be snatched away?
Is that why you're looking all worried and bottled? Eh?
This is why I tell my fellow guys not to allow that thing called love push them into getting married to liabilities. If Jose, my friend, hadn't married that locally crafted way, if not, I wouldn't have been in this fix. I would have been financially buoyant.
And you would have given me the 3 million.
Of course.
I honestly don't know what he sees in that bitch. I often wonder how they reason. I don't get it at all. Do they reason together? Do they reason on the same place? Anyway, just let me know if there's anything I can do to help in this problem. Okay?
Come here. I love you so much. I love you, baby. You know what?
I have been trying to understand what she wants in life. I don't get it. I heard her husband wanted to send her to UK for further studies, but she turned it down. Oh, what a waste. Immediately you tell me, say this girl named her April. I don't already know, say na fool. What is my business with you? Why are you on my issues? Huh? Are you the one that wants to go to the UK? I am the one who's supposed to go to the UK. And I changed my mind because it's my life and I can do whatever I choose to do with it. How is that your business? Don't call me a fool. Don't you dare. If you talk again, wallahi, I go slap you until you begin to confess to witchcraft here. You dey mad? What did they walk you? Eh? Sasha, I have to start going. I don't want unnecessary drama. Just stop it, girl. Just calm down. Look, I have told you several times you should mind the way you talk to her. She's my friend and I'm very proud of her. Tell her. Get away from here. Go. Just calm down. What are you doing? They block her on Instagram. Hiding my story on Instagram, unfollow her on Instagram, unfollow her on Twitter, block her on Twitter, block her entire existence and history from WhatsApp. That's it. See her? See mango face. I'm blocking her right now. That's it. She's gone. You said too, you mess up. You sit down, they hear her, they talk nonsense about me, and you know if you walk her out since. What is her business if I refuse to go to the UK? I was behind the door, I was hearing her. Every single thing she said I heard.
You are pathetic. I am ashamed of you. If I did not hear everything you said, I wouldn't have believed it.
Really?
How could you think so little of my wife?
Really? Did you want to hear the truth?
What truth?
Dozie, your marriage is not even up to 1 year. And I'm tired of giving you emotional support. It's not because it's about to do so, but because you're being stupid about it.
What?
If you believe, I think little about your wife. Be honest with yourself. Look straight into my eyes. Tell me the truth. What goes on in your head each time she makes you pass through the usual hell of embarrassment?
Femi, please. You guys should just keep it down. You're in public, and it's not good for people.
It's not good? So you know what is good for me? If you can't find anything good in Sophia, how could you know what is good for me?
Dozier, get my wife out of
You should have left her out of this from the outset.
Stop it! I'm out of it, and I'm out of here.
Sasha, forget that thing you're saying. What do you think? That I don't use my brain? Trust me, girl, I use my brain very, very well. I am a very, very smart girl. Girls like April are demonic. It is because of girls like April I refuse to travel to the UK.
What are you trying to say?
Well, traveling to the UK would mean the coast will be clear for them to come in and snatch my husband.
Sophia, I know April can be anything, but definitely not a husband snatcher.
No girl will agree that she's a husband snatcher until she finally snatches your husband.
I guess you have a point.
Don't guess. I do have a point, and I know what I am talking about. But me, no girl can snatch my husband. In fact, the girl who will snatch my husband has not been born. And if she finally arrives, I will buy her a very big TV screen. She will sit down and be watching it.
Anyway, enough of all these girls. Tell me, what's up? How did you sort things with your husband?
Well,
We were friends. We fought each other. We made mistakes. Without pointing fingers. Now I don't know what we've become. In a twinkle love night, I'll give tomorrow to take back.
What are you doing here?
Why are you surprised to see me?
See, I've apologized over what happened. And I want you to understand that.
You don't need to apologize. I mean, I understand your position.
Okay. Thank you. You didn't have to come here.
We have unfinished business. I have accepted a proposal to go on a dinner with you and
Play the perfect wife.
Look here, please. I have decided to talk things over with my wife. And
I'm not done yet. Forget about the money that I asked for. I don't need it anymore.
I am not going to talk about this anymore. I'm done. You may leave.
If I leave, blame yourself for whatever comes out of it. Are you ready to talk or not?
Baby, just to give me bitter sweet, oh, sweet, oh, my baby, baby, yeah, yeah. Why you just
Just that? He kissed you and you guys made up? He brainwashed you and you fell for it? You had a perfect opportunity to ask for something and you just wasted it.
What am I supposed to ask for? I mean, you could have asked for a car. And you want something bigger. What would I use a new car for?
You're very selfish. You're not a good friend. If your husband buys you another car, you give me the old one.
That's why you're insulting me and calling me selfish. Sometimes you make me think that perhaps you go to the back of your house and sip kerosene. What do you mean selfish?
Look. The fact that I told you what to do does not give you the right to insult me.
Do you think I ever thought you were smart? Lord.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, you're acting crazy. Like you're not making any sense right now.
Look, all these things you're shouting, I taught you how to defend yourself and now you're using it on me, eh?
Babe, I beg. Make I begin to go to my husband's house. Before you punch my nose because I said something. I'm leaving. Don't you hold me back.
If you see this girl, you will like her. Already I've given her 30,000 naira as part payment of the money we agreed on.
You should have discussed this with me before making this arrangement. You see why I worry with you sometimes?
Oh, come on, Dozie. See, there is no shame in admitting the fact that I helped to fix what ordinarily won't have had the guts to fix. Unfortunately what?
I thought that using another girl for the business dinner was a bright idea. That was a smart idea. On the contrary, it has sucked me deeper into yet another problem.
What problem are you talking about?
The girl you saw at the office. Liz.
Yeah?
I used to think she was an angel. That was why I chose her. God. I don't know what to do now. I don't.
What is it?
She wants to stay in my house until the 27th.
What? What will she be doing in your house? Didn't you tell her? Of course. You must have told her that you're married.
She knows I am married.
Then forget the girl. Let's use the girl that I've given 50% of the money we agreed on.
She said that if I don't go to the business dinner with her, she will tell my wife about my plan.
It's a word against us, bro. Your wife will believe you.
I am stuck with this girl.
Do you know the implication of having this girl in your house? So that this is trouble. The moment you allow her to blackmail you, you are finished.
Honey, please sit down. There's something we need to discuss. It's very important.
Not now. I want to be left alone.
What is the problem?
It's Sasha. I honestly thought that she was a wise girl, but apparently she...
I told you she is not good for you, but you wouldn't listen. You wouldn't. It's alright. Please, sit down. We need to discuss something important.
So if I don't see that, you're not telling what it is you want to say. What you want to tell me is not nice here and standing.
Oh, it's okay. What I wanted to tell you is that...
Wait. So you can actually say what you want to say while I'm standing. Why did you not say I should sit down? Oh, you think I'm a child? You honestly think I'm a child? Like I don't know my left from my right? Huh?
Can you just listen to me?
Don't you yell at me.
Oh, yelling because you think I'm deaf and dumb? Do you honestly think I'm deaf and dumb? How do you reason? Like, I am deaf and dumb. If you speak like a normal human being, I won't hear you. Do you think I'm deaf?
It's pointless. You know what? I just want to let you know that my cousin will be coming to stay here for a while.
Your cousin or my cousin or any other person's cousin is not coming to this house. I don't want anybody coming in and telling me this or that for me and that or this for me. Seems like the way we are living in peace in this house, you don't like it.
My cousin is coming. My cousin is coming.
Okay. We shall see. He's yelling at me like I'm deaf. He thinks I'm stupid. He just walked out on me. Do you really think I'm stupid? Wait, hey, get back.
Oh my babe, the matter tire me. I just won't pack my things, make I run, leave this town. I don't want me that useless girl quite embarrass me.
Oh, Sasha, you said she warned you not to try running away. Else her talks would disgrace you.
What do I want? I don't have her money, and I definitely cannot return the shoe, bag and clothes I collected from her. That's not even an option.
Now what do you want?
Let me put it talk now, tell me now.
Yeah,
Hey, darling.
One minute. Whoa! Look who we have here. Thanks for coming.
You wanted me to come.
Who wouldn't want you to come? Anyways, make yourself comfortable, okay? Feel free. This room belongs to the two of us. Okay, so we just let's have.
Well, so what do I offer you? I mean, what would you want to drink?
Champagne.
Champagne? I like the way you call that. Alright, so do you have any in mind, or should I order for you?
Make choice for me.
You know, I like you really.
Hey. Why do you hurry? We got all night.
You don't know how much I've actually missed this. You know, I've been longing for this. But anyways, you're right. We have the whole night. So, what do you want to drink? Okay, you said champagne. Maybe you order. You want something else like meat?
Maybe later.
Yeah. You said meat and later? Champagne now. Okay. Her Excellency. Oh, right now. Oh, right now. Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. So do you want me to come with that stuff? Okay, no problems. Alright, I'll be there. I'll be there. Alright, thank you, ma. Alright.
Is everything okay?
It's not a problem though, but you know the governor's wife, you know, she asked me to meet with a political chieftain in the state, so but that's not a problem. I want you to just relax, okay? I'll make the orders, and when I come back, we'll continue from where you stop.
That's fine, yeah. Okay.
Alright, you said champagne meets later.
Yes. Nice phone.
Thank you. One of my phones though.
Sophia.
Mm-hmm.
We need to talk.
Well, you didn't have to say we need to talk. Because whether you use that slogan or not, we'll still talk. We're talking. So shoot, I'm listening.
You never used to be like this. What went wrong?
What went wrong?
I have given us a conscious thinking.
Mm-hmm.
We have a problem. I can't just seem to place my fingers around it. Has this new attitude of yours got to do with the fact that I asked for your certificate so I can help you find a job?
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
I know that you are tired of staying idle. Just give me a little more time and I'll get you a good job. Just put your papers together, put your certificates together, and we will sort this out.
Yes. Yeah, fine, yeah. I mean, yeah. Thank you. Perfect.
You know I love you, and I have always been proud of you.
Yeah.
Okay, why did you have to say we need to talk? Like, whether you say we need to talk or not, we still will.
The beautiful soul you have, baby. The pain behind the smiles is making you to lose your mind.
Did you have to keep me here all night? Do you even have to make me shout all the time? What kind of a human being are you?
I'm sorry, ma. Sorry.
How do I look?
Madam, you look gorgeous. But,
my shoes are in the car.
Oh,
yes.
Okay, so, where are we going to?
You are driving me to an all-night party.
All night?
Yes. Or have you got problems with that?
No. It's just that,
That's what? Let's go. My things are in the car, I need to wear them.
This woman is a witch. Just imagine how she denied me the opportunity of having a fun night with Sasha. I'm sure she has left the hotel. Guy, you're nothing for me at all. Even after I've spent all that. Women are just evil.
Kelly?
Ma?
Why have you been sighing all day? What's going on?
Ma? Ma, nothing. No. It's nothing.
Does it have something to do with the way you responded when I called you last night?
Madam, see, nothing really. It's just some family problem that's got me thinking.
Really, the girl you were with, did you tell her it was the wife of the president or speaker that called? You've never called me your excellency before. Why last night?
How long am I supposed to continue with this charade? Dozie thinks it's because I don't have a job. But how can I even get a job when I don't have a degree? When I can't go back to school because everyone thinks I'm a graduate.
Sophia, the only way you can get away with everything is to be a slay queen and a badass bitch. Sasha says so.
Sasha said so. Be a slay queen. A slay queen. That's what I am. Good morning.
I just came to greet you, that's all.
I've heard. Hey! And why did you not like the pictures I posted on Instagram? Huh? Even the old ones you liked, you didn't even bother to comment on them. Whatever happened to Fire Baby, Slay Queen, Slay Mama, or any other sweet comment you can think of to put on my page? I mean, if you comment on my page, will your village people kill you?
But madam,
No. Don't give me buts. No ifs. I don't want to hear it. Do you not know that part of your obligations as a tenant in this house, enjoying free light, is to like and comment on all of my pictures on any social platform? Don't you know?
I am so sorry, madam landlady. Okay? It's just that I've been so busy with work and but I promise you when I'm less busy, okay, and go online, I would like all your pictures and comment on all the things.
Nice comments. Okay. Slay Queen, Slay Mama, Fire Baby. Alright, you can go. Wait. This girl just abused me. Yes, she did. She said, when I'm less busy, I'll go online and like and comment on all your pictures. So it means that I, Sophia, who is online 247, I'm jobless. Hey, very well then, I will deal with her. I'll just love her now. Okay, no problems.
So why would you want her to pack up?
She has to leave. She has grown wings and she has to leave. She can't possibly stay under my roof in my husband's house and insult me to my face.
What exactly happened?
Well, she practically told me to my face that I was jobless. That is an insult. It's unruly. It's not allowed. She has to leave.
She said that to you?
Well, just imagine. I mean, I went to her and said, why haven't you been liking or commenting on my pictures on Instagram? She looks at me and says, I've been so busy, so busy. I haven't had time to go to the internet. But not to worry. Once I have time, I'll go there and I'll like and comment on all your pictures. That is an insult. Invariably, she's telling me indirectly that I am jobless. So she has to go. Go and make sure of it.
We don't have any reasons to send her packing. Besides, she still has valid rent on that house. And if you probably want to meet her in court, you can go ahead and send her packing.
I go speak for your eye. I go speak for your eye now because you don't misfire. So, you go take side with another woman against your own wife? Somebody insult your own wife, you go take his side? Last, right now, tell me what's in there between you and Queen.
There is nothing between me and her. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now, stop making a mountain out of a molehill. What's your problem?
They shake on my head. Not try am. Not sharp for this head because of another woman. You hear me so? Not try am. Not try am. She go back.
You know what? I don't have time for this. I don't.
I get time and I go borrow you. Time there for us to discuss her. I go borrow you my own time. They say, I get time, I go borrow you time.
This kind of bad luck with this now. Eh? You have a job problem, you don't have a job to wahala. Okay, now let me just call her to explain things to her. This life opportunity.
The number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. You are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Why is her phone switched off now? Eh? Just wanted to.
Don't push me to the wall. Do not try your luck. Do not push it too far. Right now, I am running out of patience, and if you don't...
Don't tell me that kind of talk, say they run out of patience. As your patience run, you know, pursue your patience, make you catch her back. Eh? Who grab my head? Who grab my head? So what are you talking inside, no get sense? Eh?
I am done talking about Queen. Do whatever you want to do, but just bear in mind that you are going to bear the consequences alone.
No wahala. Okay now, no problem. You hear? No wahala. As it is so, I remember something will make me wrong, come out to go and discuss them with you. But as you say, make her bear the consequence. No problem. Forget them then.
What is it?
You don't forget that girl who cashing away, can go that place. Why go cashing for them?
God, I thought we had discussed this. And I explained things to you. Why are you bringing it up again?
I know they bring up anything. Don't tell me say they bring up anything. Why I no go bring them up? Eh? That's why I cash now. You explain to me, you beg me, explain to me what happened. But you sure I forgive you finally. You sure? I don't forgive you because it didn't pain me. That didn't pain me. That didn't hurt my feelings. So that really, really pain me. And then come check her now. Your sister they come. No be time say your cousin they come visit. If your cousin come and see the best for you, she go know you. You know go they comfortable. She tell you know go they comfortable. She go sit down for long thing. You know they comfortable. You know good like that. You understand? So when we talk and no say we don't clear and final I don't forgive you.
Okay. I apologize once more. I am sorry about everything. Forgive me. Please.
Clear your mouth, this side. Don't talk that to you again, I beg. Don't talk that kind of thing. So you will just face me and say, forgive me. And it go end. So that they do something. You know what I'm saying? It's not so that they forget people. People go they mess up, they go. Now make you mess up this mess up so. Person will just say please, it go end.
Sophia. What do you want me to do for you to forgive me?
No, you're supposed to ask me this kind of question since. Because that thing pain me, that thing hurt my feelings. But I talk and my body don't begin to hurt. That really pain me. I feel very.
What is it? What do you want me to do?
I think they come. That's most of them tell you, oh my goodness, but I should hurry make a calm down now. So last, if you make a forget about that way I have hurt my feelings too much. I tell you now. Last, if you buy me a new motor, I will forgive you immediately. In fact, to add Jara and Bonanza for that you will forgive, I go add forget John. I go forgive, I go forget. I don't even remember say you do me anything again.
Sophia, what do you need another car for?
Which kind of question be that? Now which kind of question you ask me so? I be Mumu? I don't know what I want is on that car do. Even if I call me Mumu, you be Mumu. You don't know what me I want is on that car do. I want to use the car cook soup. The stereo and the tire it go be me. I go chop up. You go buy or you don't go buy? You go to stress me. When I dey best, now that I need. You go buy or you don't buy?
Which I want to tell this woman now, eh? Hello, ma. Hey, madam. No, I didn't know the phone was ringing. I just saw it now, ma. Okay, ma, you know, when we were coming back, I was hearing some unpleasant sound. So No, ma, I just went to the mechanic to see if I can fix the car. I should come now. Ma'am, I'm coming, ma. I'm coming, ma. I'm coming, ma. Hey! Sasha! Hey! 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 Oga, please, can you come, please? Oga, good afternoon. See, I'm looking for one Shasha. She lives here. Yes, I dropped her here some days back. Can you call her for me?
Oga, calm down. Not a rush. There's no Chacha living here. As a matter of fact, I am the one taking care of that house. And the owner of the house, they live abroad, so I don't know what you're talking about.
No. I dropped her here. She said she lives here, Oga.
Oga, I didn't tell you now. I will relax for you.
Hey, I'm finished.
Any problem?
Are you alright? I just said I'm finished. You're asking me if there's still...
Shut up. Yeah, now go find your problem now. There's no Chacha living here.
So guys, is he here? You know, I have always wanted to be very close to you, but
You keep pushing me.
Please, I can't remember asking you to come.
What matters is I'm here every day. So, when I'm moving to you.
What? What if my wife recognizes you from the restaurant?
Why is that my business? Figure something out. Do something.
Please, why are you doing this to me?
Well, in the absence of all the discussions, I'll move in on Sunday. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'll come later.
You don't look good, bro. What's the problem?
That was Bliss. She said she's moving into my house on Sunday.
Doesn't sound good.
It's not good.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. If she moves into your house, how are you two going to come for the dinner without making your wife suspicious?
You see what you have caused?
Come on, that to see it. We've gone beyond this stage of throwing blames. What I expected you right now to think is how things are going to work. Think! You've always been a smart guy. I don't understand why you went on that. So easy for you to say.
Once again, Chief, I'm so sorry for keeping you. I was waiting for my driver, but only God knows where the idiot took my car.
It's alright, my dear. Now back to what I was saying. I really find you quite intriguing. You're rather different from most girls I've met. I like your business acumen and the audacity behind your push.
Thank you very much.
You see, there's a dinner party I'm having soon in my place. I would love you to attend.
Really? It will be such an honor, Chief.
I will love some of my business partners to meet this beautiful young lady who came out of nowhere and is now spinning me in the palm of her hands.
Chief, is that supposed to be some sort of compliment or a death sentence?
I have totally surrendered myself to you.
Oh.
So go ahead and spin me any way you wish.
I look forward to being your guest.
It will be my pleasure too.
Okay. Chief?
Yeah.
How far have you gone with my request?
I have spoken to them and I asked them to sell or stand the risk of being run out of business and out of town. So they will get back to me soon.
That's not bad.
Let's toast to this.
Yes. To success.
I think you have to get her what they think she has.
Are you the one talking or?
Oh, no. I am not drunk. Look, I know you have a lot at hand right now.
I'm glad you know.
No, seriously. The worst thing that can happen to you is when you fight in every front. Keep the whole front happy, then face other fronts.
Femi, the car my wife is using is still good enough.
It will do you more harm than good if you don't get a new car.
Really? What if I decide not to buy my wife a new car? What if I tell Bliss to go to blazes and burn to ashes? What if...
And what if we lose our company to Chief Williams? You don't have the clout and financial muscle to fight him in court. Or ever that rough terrain he could drag us through.
Femi, I am done being pushed around.
And what's that supposed to mean?
It means that hello? What? Okay, yeah, I'll soon be home. I'll be home now.
What's the problem?
Bliss is in my house. I have to go.
Are you serious? So if I put it here, I can record it. Are you kidding me? I like it. Okay. That's it. You are a genius. I like it.
Wow. Oh.
Welcome. I told you, I know you're expecting me on Sunday, but I decided to surprise you.
Honey?
Hey. How are you? I'm fine. How's it day?
Just good.
Would you want to eat something?
No, I'm fine. I'm just...
Now you are a bad person. Your sister is a social media guru. I didn't bring her here. I'm having so much fun. She's teaching me a lot of things.
Well, I'm glad you two are getting along fine.
Well, yes,
Let me go in. Let me go in and freshen up.
Alright. See ya. Please, come, teach me more. Stop that. No, I'm not in it myself. Oh, I love it. I'm a bad person. Serious?
I told you.
I didn't know you had this picture. I love it. It's beautiful. No. Oh, you're a bad person. Snapchat? Yes.
I just walked into the house and she was right there in the sitting room having a fun time with my wife. I don't know whether I'm just gone insane or everyone else is crazy. I don't know what she wants from me. Oh, we have to make this right, okay? I'll talk to you later. Alright.
Lucy, what's the problem?
Problem?
Yes.
That's no problem.
Lucy, I know you well enough to know when something is bothering you. So what is the problem? If you don't want to talk about it, that's fine. I'll just go straight to something that is much more important to me.
And what could that be?
The car we talked about.
Listen. I don't have money to buy you a new car. That's what you're talking about.
You don't have money to buy me a new car?
I don't.
You don't have money to buy me a new car? That's a joke. Are you serious? Are you serious? He doesn't have money to buy me a new car.
Come on now. That's not a pleasant thing to tell your wife.
Huh? How's the conversation I'm having with my wife your business?
I know it's none of my business. But how can you say you don't have money to buy a new car for your own wife, Bros? Anyways, that's not my business.
See where you disgrace yourself? Huh? You see when you say disgrace? Yeah, yourself. You see, even your cousin supports me. Just for your hand by yourself, for yourself, with yourself. Anyways, you said you no get money to buy me a new car.
right? No issues. No wahala.
I see many things you're trying to hide, baby. What a beautiful smile.
Sasha, I'm surprised you were expecting me to be angry that you supported her that day. No way. I know she's your maga, so I wouldn't want to do anything to jeopardize your effort of making her pay. Thank you so much, Helen. Well, I'm glad you understand. You're a friend indeed. So tell me, what's up with you two? Nothing serious. Just been having misunderstanding. Really? What happened? A normal way of being is smarter than everyone you see the entire world. Oh, you know what? You know me, yeah? By the time I'm done with her, she will know that I am the teacher and she's only taking few lessons from me.
Yeah? Light out! Sasha is in the building.
Say that again! You know. I used to think it's only men who women make maga out of. Until you told me otherwise. Come on, babes. Now a girl got to do what she got to do to survive. Look at, if you see any woman that has money, make her. Let them survive, babe. You got to do what you got to do. I believe you die. Please.
It starts with pretending, then it starts caring. Deep down it's guessing. Love don't take no for an answer. Once his mind is made up, once it is rooted in sincerity and purpose, love can fight any battle. Love can go any distance. Yeah. Love is self-blessing in every disguise.
What are you doing here?
Since you want your wife to wake up. Huh? That's not a bad idea. We can have a threesome.
Are you crazy?
If you want to argue here, you want to come with me. Dozie, what is your problem? Why can't we just go to my room and talk in private?
This is all the privacy you can get.
Why are you behaving like a child? You don't know the reason I want us to go to my room, right?
I am not going to the guest room with you.
Okay. Doing it here would not be a bad idea.
Doing what? What exactly do you want from me?
Maybe your wife shouldn't have insulted me.
Anyways, it's still a chilly kind of night and I wouldn't mind some body warmth. What do you say?
When love hits the ceiling, it kills us of retaining. It goes all out to prove it is worth it. It is worth it to fall in love, to love somebody unconditionally. It is a beautiful thing. Oh, it's so healing to be at the same night of love, to be at the same night of love, to be at the same night of love, where nothing really matters.
I'm not going to that room with. I'm not going to sleep in that room if you don't come with me. Please come with me now, please.
To check what out? I'm not going to the guest room. What is your problem?
You're scared of rats now, Abby. You're scared of rats. Maybe I'll go and wake your wife to go with me.
You want to wake my wife?
No way. No. I'm still asleep.
You don't know what happened. Don't tell me you're honestly afraid of an ordinary rat.
I am not afraid of rats. She should go in there and have a good night rest.
Really?
I don't know when we started having rats in this house.
Oh.
Don't listen to him. Come show me what it is, please. You are coming with us. Come on.
Hold! And let me behold. No! You what? Oh my goodness! Thank you so much! Oh, Instagram go here. My haters are literally going to... They'll die like they'll...
Nice. Why don't we go inside and celebrate with a bottle of champagne and a good sex?
Are you alright?
Mm-hmm. If your wife doesn't want to do that, I mean, we can do that on her behalf.
Stop this madness.
You see that? That is beautiful. Wow. Oh, thank you. It is a beautiful thing. Oh, it's so healing to be at the same night of love. Thank you, doll. To be at the same night of love. When nothing really matters. My head is on the ground today. It's only love. Love Dikeh. When love is the same. It careless of pretending.
Why don't you take your selfie with 2 phones?
Oh, wait. It goes all out. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It is what to fall in love, to love somebody passionately. What did you just say? No, what did you just say? Madam, I'm saying that I have done my best. I'm just waiting for God to do His own best. Listen to me, I don't care which man of God you gave my money to for prayers or whatever. I don't care. Wait, what is that even supposed to mean? Madam, it means that I gave the money to some men of God to pray for the success of your plans. Okay? I told you to cash a check for me. That was my instruction. I told you to cash a check for me, and you have the nerve to stand here and tell me cock-a-bull story, Kelly. Listen to me. If I do not see my money in 10 minutes, I'll make sure that the police treat you as a criminal. Madam, it hasn't gotten to that yet now. See, it's not like I don't know that you asked me to keep the money. Madam, I know now, I know. You know? No, I'm not sure you know. I kept the money here, madam. It was there. It was here until I started thinking of how to help you in your problem. Madam.
Are you mad? Kelly, let me tell you, if I do not get my money this minute, Kelly, you are going in for a big one.
Madam, you want to arrest me?
I will deal with you, Kelly. You think you're a good criminal, right? A robber does not rob a robber. You've never heard of that?
Madam, I am not a robber now.
You will give me my money this minute.
It's for the success of your program, your plans, so that it will work.
Femi, we are good to go. She's happy with her new car. That one. I don't even know her plans. But I'm sure everything is going to work out for you. Now you. Okay, no problem. Talk to that. Alright. How are you?
I'm not very fine, sir.
What's the problem?
I'm so sorry I have to say this, sir. But I don't have a choice.
What is the problem?
So it's about your wife.
What about her?
I don't know how or when I will forgive her. She told me that she's giving me just 1 week to pack her things. And I'm very sure I have never insulted her, not even once, sir. And I'm not even owing her house rent.
It's alright. I'll talk to her about it. You have nothing to worry about.
Don't leave me now, madam. If you don't leave me, see, I will hurt you.
Oh, shut up! You do nothing. I will shred you. I'll pieces you. Left, right, and center. Oh, you think I'll be at the bottom?
Madam, I'm respecting you.
You never see the street side of me.
Madam, you've been slapping me. I've been respecting
mad. Oh, yeah, raise hand now. You are crazy. Try it. You will do nothing. I will deal. Look at this young man. You don't know me, oh. Okay. You don't see at the...
Security! Is everything alright in there?
Security? Yeah. No, everything is alright. Please come in.
What's the problem?
You see this man? He is a thief. He stole my 1 million naira. So please go get me security men.
Madam, is it fair? Is it fair? See, madam, leave me alone. Madam, I'll hurt you. Madam, I'll hurt you. Madam, hey, madam, see, I'm respecting you. I'm respecting you. I will hurt you, madam. Madam.
I'll give you.
Liz, what are you doing here?
Why won't you come and join me?
Where is my wife? Sophia! Sophia!
And why are you calling her? She's not bothered about us.
Where is my wife?
Well, I asked her to go and celebrate her new car with her friends. That's a good idea. I mean, we have the house all to ourselves.
Now get off that bed and out of this room.
Do you want your wife to know about us?
There is no us. Do you understand? You should be worried about what she will do to you if she finds out you have designs on me. And I promise you it's not something pleasant. Now get out.
When we were friends, we fought each other. We made mistakes. Without pointing
Sasha! Sasha!
What's the meaning of this?
Hey girl! Sasha.
What are you doing here?
Listen, come on. I'm so sorry I used wrong words when last time I was here. I'm so sorry, but guess what? Your plan worked.
My husband just bought me a brand new car and it's parked right outside. I swear.
Congratulations.
Oh, come on. You still sound cold. Sasha, I'm sorry. I mean, I can't believe it. Your plan worked. Like, I can get anything at all I want from him. Anything at all I ask him for, I can get. I can even get a brand new car if I want.
So did you come here to tell me that your husband got you a car? Or the fact that you're ready to give me the old one?
Sasha, but it's not about the car. It's about the fact that I can get anything I want from him. Anything at all. But it's fine. I'll give you the old one, but not now. So he doesn't begin to think he just bought me a new car and I gave out the old one just like that.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's really a good idea not to give men breathing space.
I told you now.
He is never getting any breathing space from me again. Never.
So, are you giving me the car? You need to be fast too. Give me the car fast.
Yes.
When this car celebrates,
I will not give him any breathing space again. No breathing space.
Where is he? I think you should call the manager. We reported the case to him.
Okay, where's the manager?
He drove out with the thief and the other security.
What kind of cock and bull story is that? Can you hear yourself speak? No, like, can you hear yourself? Listen, if I do not see my money, I will make sure that all of you end up in jail.
Jail? Madam, I don't have anything to do with your money.
What did you say?
Listen,
come. Where did you say your manager?
Hey, madam!
Where did you say your manager is? Huh?
If you know how much I hate each time we go to functions with Dozie and his lousy wife, I get so pissed off.
It's okay. It's okay, honey.
It will soon be over.
Dozie is a nice guy.
Yeah.
But that Sophia girl is something else. You need to see how she talks to Dozie. Blah, 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 blah. No manners at all.
With the help of Chief Williams, I will separate them. When Sophia comes to the dinner meeting and realizes that Dozie is there with another girl as his wife, same girl who lives in the same house with them, same girl he introduced to his wife as his cousin. With the kind of life Sophia lives, the house will be a world war.
And I will so blow it out of proportion that Sophia will have no choice than to pack her things and leave Dozie and the marriage. I will hit her where it hurts the most.
The beautiful twist was that I had planned bringing in another girl for Dozie. But as God may have it, he chose another girl. Else, he would have blamed it on me.
And there is no way they will ever imagine that the elaborate plan was done by my sweetheart husband. Just to free Dozie from the shackles of Sophia.
Yeah.
What is your problem? Who are you trying to be better than? Do you think your wife will ever believe that you don't sleep around? Oh, well, that is what every woman thinks of her man. But you know what? It's better for you to indulge yourself than abstaining from it, okay?
You have done enough damage. I was stupid to have allowed you blackmail me into bringing you here. But that's where it ends.
I think it's time I told your wife everything.
We had an agreement. And I would appreciate it if you stick to it. Honey, you're
welcome.
back. Honey, you're back.
happened?
Sophia, you know...
She said she's no longer happy here and wants to leave.
Please. Why would you want to leave? Have I upset you in any way? Has he upset you in any way? Why are you upset?
It's not about you. You've been most wonderful. But it's just that...
She was supposed to go visit one of my uncles. She changed her mind. Now she wants to leave this place because she wants to leave because I insisted she should go see my uncle. And if I allow her to go, some family members will think that my wife threw her out.
Sophie, can I tell you everything that happened?
Listen, the agreement is that I will take you there and bring you home, no matter how late.
And I insist, I'm not going anywhere again.
What God has put together, let no man put asunder. Let no man come in between. Love is so beautiful, yeah.
Sasha! This is your car, eh? I can't wait to cruise. Leave that car matter. No be that car matter and they do me now. You understand what I mean now? Because sometimes if I look myself at the short side, I get sense, I don't be mumu. But at times if I can't check again, I can't arrange, I can't balance, I calculate, I can't deduct myself whether I get sense or I don't get sense. But right now, I did very, very certain. Say, I'm confused. There's something about my husband and his cousin that isn't right at all. What it is, I can't put in favor, but I'm certain something is not right. It's not for me. You don't get sense. You know, arrange.
Sophie! Oh. I thought we were driving after.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sophie, is everything okay?
Everything is fine.
My sister-in-law.
My sister-in-law. I don't tell you so.
Your sister-in-law?
What's happening? Yes, now.
No. I can talk to them when they come back. Just relax.
Hey.
According to my friend, you'll be your sister-in-law. You and I know say you don't relate to this man. It even be possible for this life to go relate to this man because me and you from the same village. Bros, I don't know what happened. I don't even want to know. But the small one alone, we say, I go pay una. And if una no pay, I go carry my friend self, go tell my friend.
Sasha, do you have my money?
Boss.
What's going on there?
Nothing. Boss, if you agree to pay, just go meet my friend. Tell us everything they okay. Hug her. Tell us everything they fine. But if una no won't pay.
Going on there?
Nothing. If una no go pay, that man understand.
Hug me now, Sophia. See, Dozie is my brother, and he's your husband. I just want to apologize the other day why I argued with him. Please forgive me. Yes. Okay.
Sophia, forgive the girl. Everything don't tell me. Everything is settled.
What is your name?
Sir, my name is Kelly, sir. Sir, honestly, I didn't steal the...
I only asked your name, nothing else.
I'm sorry, sir.
You'll be really sorry when I don't find what I'm doing.
Listen, this hotel belongs to me, and no one has ever lost any item. You stole from one of my guests, right?
Yes, I did, but I...
Did you steal from Neka?
Yes, but I...
Where is the money?
Sir! It was the girl that came to my room and she stole the money. She came to my room and she stole the money, sir.
I'll go through the security camera. I will know who this girl is.
Listen to me. If you do not call your manager now and ask him where he took the idiot that took my money, I will deal with you. Call him and ask him.
Hello? Yes, Chief. Okay. Oh, okay, Chief. And you, don't think that you've seen the last of me yet. Get out.
I did see your money, madam.
Out.
Shh. Madam, I don't know what you do.
Listen, I've been thinking about this whole thing. I want to know why Sasha is blackmailing us.
Why are you asking me that question? Didn't you see her before you? Why didn't you ask her? Please, don't disturb me, please.
You are leaving this house. Because I am not going to allow you drag me into something I know nothing about.
I see how much you fear your wife. Oh well, just allow me leave this house and I will spill the beans on you.
Just go in there, pick your bag and leave.
Okay. I have to call your wife and tell her that I'm leaving.
You dare not do that.
Fine. You can have my phone. But you get ready to explain to your wife why you seized my phone. Oh no! Hold it. Once she comes back, I will tell her why I am leaving and why you seized my phone.
Sasha, I want to know what you told my husband in Bliss. I know him. And I also have a little idea of the kind of person that Bliss girl is. And I'm wondering, what did you say to them that made them mellow down? I mean, nobody is even arguing with me. What exactly did you say to them?
Did I ever tell you I went for peace and consolation course in Abuja?
How do I want to concern me?
Well, that was where I learned how to make peace and reconcile differences. It's a course that enhances your ability to survive in conflict zones. I thought I was going to make use of it one of these days, and I did. It's an awesome tool. Thank me later. You're happy, are you not?
Oh yes, I am.
Why did you say that?
Well, because something doesn't seem right. I mean, I have my suspicions, but I don't want to voice it out. The girl looks very familiar, like someone I've met before.
Sophia, you worry too much. You have no reason to suspect Lucy. I can hardly defend any man in this life, but only has to do with Lucy, your husband.
Not when I see them in certain positions that is not pleasing to the eye.
If you have doubt about her, then call your mother-in-law.
That one. If that one had a way of throwing me out of my husband's house, she would have done so long ago.
You have nothing to worry about then. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Alright. Okay.
Babes, if you want food, I can arrange food for you.
Thank you.
You did alright?
Yes.
You did a very good job at laying her ears. The more she trusts Dozie, the harder it will hit her when the bubble bursts.
If only she knew how much I had listened to her.
Like I said, you have nothing to worry about. My boys will find the girl and will get your money back.
Thank you very much, Chief. I really appreciate this.
But how could you trust him with such amount of money?
I blame myself for what has happened. Because I have always believed that every other person is like me. And as trustworthy as I am, now I know better.
Sir, I am not a thief. I am not, sir. See, sir, my madam is the cause of all this. If she had not roped me in her plans of making things very difficult for Dozie, I wouldn't have been involved.
What plans?
Okay, sir. See, sir, my madam wants Dozie to fall in love with her. And Dozie is already married to another girl. So she wants to liquidate Dozie and make the wife leave him so she can come in, help Dozie and marry him. That's her plan, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
If you lie to me about this...
Sir, I cannot lie to you. I can't. I'm a very honest man, sir. I don't lie.
Now tell me about it. Yes, sir.
It's alright. Don't even worry about it. I am making this promise to you. Your money will be given back to you.
Thank you so much, Chief. Thank you. You know, I'm glad. Because that fool was not handed over to the police. I mean, who knows what would have happened?
I take care of my own business.
Talking about business.
I know what you are about to say, but rest assured, I am still on it.
But don't you think this is taking a lot more time? I mean, because I'm sure that the owners of that business don't have what it takes to stand against you.
Do you know why I am so successful in business?
Please indulge me.
I don't underestimate my rivals or enemies.
Who are you? What do you want in my house?
Where is the money?
What money? I don't know what you're talking
The
about.
money you stole from hotel.
Guy, I don't think she has the money. Let's kill her. No, please don't kill me. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. Okay. Yes. The money is with my boyfriend. Okay, I'll call him. He will bring the money. Please don't hurt me.
So, if you call him, he will bring the money.
Yes,
Guy, find something to tie her up.
Shut up. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Please, I beg you, don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
When love is the saying it kills us of retaining. It goes all out to prove it is worth it. It is worth it to fall in love, to love somebody.
What is the problem? Since you go back from... Where did you even go?
Monitoring spirits. They don't send you, Abby. Just arrange yourself. Make you pack over with your face like you don't with the chew. Never let me talk, or else I will buy that costume now. Last, you must hear.
And that's not a nice thing to say.
To who? Not a nice thing to say to who?
Now who this girl be? Now they ask you now, they say, now who this girl be?
She's my cousin.
The thunder will go strike you. The thunder will go strike you. He dey kill. In fact, that thunder, he no get conscience.
Sophia, why are you talking to me like this?
What's this one they talk? What's it they talk? No worry. I say make you answer my question. This girl now your second wife, I be na your cousin. Who this girl be?
What? Sophia?
Hey, roll over. Roll go that side. I talk to my husband, no at your mouth. Roll over, go that side. I call your name. Answer the question.
You want to know who she really is?
Yes, I want to know.
Sophia, she is my cousin. Here, call my mother on the phone. Ask her who Bliss is.
Baby, just they give me bitter sweet, oh. Sweet, oh. My baby, baby. Yeah.
Who I am.
No, sir.
I hate it when people steal from those under my protection.
I'm sorry, sir. It will never happen again.
You said if we call your boyfriend, that he will return the 500,000.
Yes, sir.
Who is he and what does he do for a living?
His name is Dozie, sir. He wants a company that
Is there any problem?
I love doing business with serious-minded and focused people. You have proven yourself to be one of those people by helping me with this deal. I owe you one. In fact, don't hesitate to call me whenever you need my help.
Thank you very much, Chief. I really appreciate it.
I want to do something for you right now. One good turn truly deserves another. What can I do for you?
Chief, I don't think there is anything...
What are you thinking? I am not God that does impossible things. Just think of something a human being like me can do.
Chief, I understand. Chief, there is a little problem I think you can be of help with.
And what could that be?
Chief, let me go straight to the point. My partner's wife is a big threat to our business. And as long as she's married to him and interferes in our business, we will close down sooner than later.
Are you asking me to help you separate legally married couples?
Chief, it's not as if I am happy to see them separate, but Chief, This wife of his is trouble. She's bad-tempered, argumentative, and very uncooperative in every sense of that word. But my friend is madly in love with her.
Your name is Sophia, and you're his wife.
Yes, she's my wife.
The question was meant for her, not you.
Sorry, sir.
Does the name Sasha mean anything to either of you?
No, sir.
I know you're having problems with her, but she's still your friend.
Okay, honey. Yes, sir. Sasha used to be my friend.
Is that the resident Central Center?
What do you know about my money?
Money, I don't know what you're talking about.
Sasha said you are her boyfriend. She said you have the 1 million naira I'm looking for. If I don't get the money, you and your wife will pay dearly. Where is the money?
I am not Sasha's boyfriend. I am not. I don't have her money. I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm out of here.
Sit down. I said sit. If you make any more move, you're dead.
I have a confession to make. I swear to God, sir. Sister, I am not his wife, oh. I don't know what he's talking about, seriously. He actually hired me to play as his wife, sir. I am not his wife. Sir, please. Just leave me and let me go.
What exactly happened?
I don't know how to put this, but as it stands now, our business is gone. Bliss, she stupidly opened up before Chief Williams and told him she's not my wife. And now he sees me as a liar and probably a loser. I wish I could just lay my hands on that girl. Baby, what do we do now?
Honestly, I don't know. Maybe we'll take some time and think about it.
We don't have time.
What do I do then?
You can, talk to him. Tell him he doesn't have to punish you because of my mistake. Convince him to leave our business alone. You can do this for us.
I will see what I can do.
Okay? That's fine. Thank you.
I will put a call across to him and I will meet him up wherever it is.
I appreciate. Thank you. I appreciate. Okay? Thank you. I appreciate.
All right. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Hello. You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you, Dozier?
I'm fine. Sit.
That's all right.
So, what can I do for you?
Dozier, I've been thinking about our little encounter the other day. And I don't know why, but I've been very uncomfortable. Dozier, you and I, we used to be very close, remember? Look, I want you to see this from my perspective.
Okay.
You look worse today than you looked the day we met. Well, it's okay. Let's forget about your looks for now. I'm only here to help. Dossier, I know that you're going through a lot right now. I mean, it's obvious. But whatever the problem is, as long as money can solve it, please let me help.
Thank you for coming. This is getting more interesting. Please sit down.
Where's my husband? I haven't come here to sit down or ask for a job. I only came because you said you had something important.
You wanted a job from my company. If I were to hire you, or if I were to offer you a job, what academic qualifications do you have?
What?
You have a degree. Did you graduate from the university?
That is none of your business. I'm only here because you said you wanted to tell me something about my husband. That's all.
Sit down. Sit down so that I can tell you something very interesting about Femi, Bliss, and your friend Sasha.
Josie, how can you insist that you do not need help from me? When you and I know that everything is not fine with you.
Nigga, have I committed any crime by insisting that I don't need your help?
No! But the truth is that
That settles it, that's it. That settles it. I know you're trying to be a good friend. I appreciate that. But I'm sorry, I'm done accepting help.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if my words triggered one or two raw nerves. Please forgive me.
There's nothing to forgive you. You're just being a good friend.
Okay then, so can we go for dinner later tonight? Oh, my treat. I'm sorry I have to leave now. Something very important just came up. But the dinner offer still stands, so please, give me a call.
What? Chief Williams wants to see me? This is magic. Oh my, Femi has just performed the magic.
Sophia! What are you doing here? You are part of them. You ordered them to kidnap me.
Shut up. Let me not hear Sophia from that mouth of yours anymore. You are such a nuisance.
Sophia, no matter what you should have
said, do not mention my name. You are a bad person. I asked you the other day, what did you say to my husband and that nuisance called Bliss? What did you tell me? I went for this course in Abuja on management settlement quarrels. Well, I now know everything. Do you think you lied to me and you're trying to blackmail my husband? You want him to give you 500,000 naira, else you're going to tell me Bliss wasn't his cousin after all, right? You are a nuisance. Broad daylight nuisance. That's what you are.
Sophia, no matter what, you shouldn't have.
Shut up your mouth! Stop calling my name, else I will kill you. I be you like Mugu. I be you like your Mugu. Don't mess around now. Don't mess around with me. No, you don't want to. Don't mess around with me. No, no, no.
Sophia, look.
I said do not mention my name, else I will slap you.
Hey.
He means sit. That's what he said.
Chief, I don't understand.
Are you aware that if I buy your company, you might not be able to buy it back?
Chief, we have an agreement.
Do you have a copy of such an agreement?
But sir...
Do you have a copy of the agreement?
No, sir. It's an oral agreement. But I believe as gentlemen, we...
Gentlemen, you say? Did you think I agreed to your request because I am a gentleman?
Not really. But you said that one good turn deserves another.
If I let you buy back the company, how will you bring back your partner?
Chief, my partner is a good guy. I don't have a problem with him. He will still remain my partner in the company, but on one condition, that his wife will not step foot in that company again.
And why is that?
I don't think what her problem was. In each passing day, it became worse. She argued over things she knows and things she knows nothing about. Sometimes, I can't help but imagine how my friend Dozie copes. I don't know how he has managed to be with her all this while. But Chief, she has made us lose most of our valuable clients.
Now me that nuisance they talk about. No, but now me that bad man they talk about. You know? Fair enough.
Chief, I honestly don't know what she thinks when she does certain things. I know how many times she has insulted my wife.
Are you sure of all these allegations?
Chief, this is not an allegation. Do you know the last straw that broke the camel's back?
Tell me all about it.
Chief, we had little differences with our biggest client. He had every right to be angry. Dozie and I were trying to calm him down. Then Sophia walked in, insulted the man and won't let go. Until the client decided to sever his relationship with our company. That was the day I decided to do whatever I can to either stop her from coming to the office or Dozie leaves her and marry someone sensible.
All right. So are you telling me to overlook Dozie's mistake?
Yes, please.
Bring him in. I have to listen to lawyer. You can wait for me.
I thought say if God won't expose bad leg, if they bring her come outside make everybody see. God don't expose you about the evil plans what you get for me.
If you have sense in this score, you should know that it's an attitude that put us in this mess.
Who be us? What you concern me and you? Which mess?
I don't think you'll be as bad as you are today. If it being this way, it's your destiny.
Hey, no insult me, you. Not try and. No insult me.
Hey, enough. If you two don't shut up now, you don't lie. You think your location right? You won't mess up my boss at you. No more.
Wait. I don't want no lies.
No lies.
Then go ahead.
The truth is that I love my wife. But I had to make arrangements for Bliss to come to your dinner party with me. I've had some very bad experiences with my wife over official outings. So I didn't want that embarrassment. Bliss deviated from our agreement and then blackmailed me into bringing her into my house. She tried everything she could to make me have sex with her in my house.
She did? Why would she do that in your own house?
Apparently, she was trying to spite my wife for disgracing her at the restaurant where we met.
I talk am say that girl face I don't see him before. That can be the girl where did that restaurant with Dose? Una too dey lie. Lie too full on her mouth. Una too dey lie. Ha!
Leave me out of whatever you're talking about.
Lie man. Lie man. Ha! If I don't keep person for here today.
So your problem with your wife is her attitude?
She suddenly changed into someone I think it has to do with her relationship with Sasha.
Tell me all about it.
I really don't like discussing my wife, but I don't think I have any choice now. Sophia used to be very loving and caring. But then she suddenly changed. I just realized that she argues over everything. She wants to have her way over everything. She makes it difficult for me to even have a decent conversation with her, and it's killing me.
It's all right. She has heard everything you said.
What are you talking about?
Your business partner, Femi, is also here. I think he has something to tell you.
To be at the cyanide of love. To be at the cyanide of love. To be at the cyanide of love. Where nothing really matters but love. It's only love. Love that cares. Love so beautiful. So beautiful. Love is a beautiful.
You see your life now? You see your life? No, you don't see your life. You carry girl, come to our house, come to them say the girl are your cousin. You don't see your life now?
Sorry. I'm really sorry about this. I tried to explain that. I tried to tell you the truth about the whole thing, but each time I brought it up, you wouldn't listen. You would talk and talk.
Basket mouth, don't start to leak again. Oh. Basket mouth, don't open mouth again. Oh. Now give me that now. You're the basket mouth. Mouth in the close. Now talk now. No wait. My mouth in the close. Basket mouth, don't open mouth again. Oh. Now be. So can you listen? Don't tell me I listen with my father. Don't tell me that kind of talk. Because now this talk, now you don't take food. This one's back one. Head. Don't make I don't plan the way I'll take them up from my house. This one, this camera, where they want you back. See and there. Now you want to sell your company, don't come in this one, we get money. Say you want to sell your company. You come buy and buy. Then if you don't come become a partner, you go tell you before you go become a partner, you must try to not go near the company again. Now see this hunchback kangaroo the plan. See and there, come here.
Femi, what is she talking about? What?
Is it true? Silence! You all are still in my house. I will appreciate it if you respect yourselves and don't throw tantrums in here.
What's the for you?
Hey!
Now what you do for you? I asked you, winch. You want to start my marriage, Abby? Your plan is to start my marriage, and yourself you just do, you know. And yourself you just do. Big TV now will give you, go sit down to watch her. Big TV now will give you, go sit down to watch her. So, I tell you now. Bros, I used to come and beg you, I beg. Sophia, my beg. I respect you too much. I too respect you, but so beg. Sophia. Oh.
I am in the middle of this because you all decided I am a moron. The tool you can use to achieve your stupid and selfish aims. Is that how stupid you all think I am? When I realized my role in this, I played along. And I brought all of you here to tell you what's happening. You are all brainless. All of you. Sasha. And please, if I set eyes on both of you in this town again, you are as good as dead. And the rest of you, get out of my house and go sort yourself out. Get out! I said get out!
Yes, I'm going to the village. By this time, I hope all is well. All is well. I just got a call that my mom is very sick, so I need to go. Your mom? Sasha, you told me sometime last year that your mom died when you were. Yeah, I told you that. My stepmother. My stepmother, mother, what's the difference? Look, I really need to go now. Your stepmom? The same woman you've been praying for to die because she hates you and made your father hate you. I have forgiven her. How many days you not normal to forgive people that are better? I have forgiven her, that's why I'm praying for her funeral. I'm going to treat her. I am going to take care of her. Sasha, what is going on? Anybody that comes to me, tell them I'm not forgiving.
What is it? No, what is it?
See, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for what happened. See, I didn't intend to steal from you. It's that girl, Sasha. She came to my room and she stole the money. Madam, I swear to God, I trusted her. I'm sorry.
You're a bloody liar. Have I not warned you to stay away from me? Have I not told you not to come close to me again? No. Don't you ever come close to me again.
Don't you ever slap me again.
When we were friends, we built each other, making mistakes, correcting each other. Now I don't know what we've become. Ain't not way could love for night. Why you just they give me bitter leave? Oh baby,
Naija cantankerous.
You've been irritated, difficult to deal with, ill-mannered, ill-tempered.
I've been all of that to you. You know I love you.
Yes, I know.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have listened to Sasha. It's just a crazy way of hiding my inadequacies. I didn't know when I took it too far and crossed my boundaries. But I love you and I'm truly sorry. Please forgive your wife. Please.
I have forgiven you. And I also ask you to forgive me in any way I have wronged you.
No, there's nothing to forgive. I honestly thought if you knew I wasn't a graduate, you'd stop loving me or you'd leave.
Why would I do that? My duty as your husband is to stand by you and support you all the way.
Thank you. I guess it's not too late for me to go back to school and complete my studies.
Now that's my girl. And I'll support you all the way.
You're a good person. Hmm? Say it again. What? You're a bad person.
Why you just give me bitter sweet, my baby? I know it's been a long time. I don't want to let you know. Say I love you no matter what, no matter what, baby. Baby, you be bad person. I mean, say you be good person. Yeah. Baby, you be bad person. Yeah. I mean, you be good person. Yo, baby.